Hi, today we're going to talk about Invention Assignment Agreement form, and we're going to see how we're going to convert this particular form into PDF files or automation. As you can see, this is a simple form that I've created over here, and once the user clicks on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database. I've already added two entries out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files, complete in automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. PDF Output will help me produce PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So document is where we'll be editing the entire document to convert to PDF, and a database is what will contain all the information that we want to convert to PDF files. We can create any document such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that we're looking to generate on everyday basis on our business with this entire setup. Let's click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will see how the automation will work out with every step possible. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here, and then we will see the remaining steps what we need to take to create the automation system. So the very first thing which we need to do is we need to connect a database for this. So let's say I have to add this Invention Assignment Agreement form database to the current setup. After that, we will be connecting a document for the database which we're going to use. And finally, we are going to map all the properties of the database one by one onto the document to create the PDF. Click on Add Notion Database, and here you should be able to connect the database to the selection screen. And meanwhile, just copy the database title which you already have. So I'll just copy this title and go back to the selection screen and just click on Select Pages. Put the database title inside the Search Pages field, and you should be able to see the particular form populate over here. Click on that, and the form is now added up. So whenever you are adding any form or a database, always put it inside the search pages and then add it. Do not select from the top level pages that you see over here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly. Alongside that, if your database is connected with other databases through relation properties, so let's say my Invention Assignment Agreement form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I need to add database A and database B over here as well, so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible in the PDF document created. Click on Allow Access, and now you should be able to get access to the Invention Assignment form, which we can use for the remaining automation steps. So in the drop down, you should be able to see the particular form. If it is not visible, simply click on Reload Database once or twice, and the database should definitely be visible in the drop down. So you can see the Invention Assignment Agreement form showing up over here. Now, if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the database appear over here, one below the other. Let's add the document for this. So let's click on Add Google Document. If you already have any existing agreement template available, click on Existing Document and choose the particular document from your drive, whatever is available, to create the PDFs out of it. Okay. We don't have any existing document available, so simply click on Add Demo Document, and you should be able to add a demo document to this entire setup for a use case. Okay, so we have this demo document available, and now if you can see, it automatically creates these placeholders inside double curly brackets. So we have assignment scope, we have company name, we have confidentiality terms. Every field is automatically coming from the database that we have over here. Okay, so when the PDF will be created, all these fields inside double curly brackets will be replaced with the values that we'll get from the database, and the values will be fetched from here. Example, the company name field will be fetched from the values over here, and it will be mapped onto the document over here, and the PDF will be created. Similarly, assignment scope will come from this particular column, and the field will be mapped to that column, and the field will be generated. So likewise, all the fields will be mapped and the PDF file will be created. So what we can do is, if you want to add any property from the database over here, let's say you want to add confidentiality terms, click on copy. You can go to the document anywhere where you want to add it, and you can just simply use Control V or Command V on a keyboard. It will automatically paste the property onto the document. So let's say I want to add employee name. Click on copy and simply use Control V or Command V. It will add the same. So you can go ahead and add any details as per your choice onto the template file and edit the same as per the requirement. Once everything is done, just define how the PDF file will be named over here. So I want to define the PDF file by the employee name. So I will select employee name from the drop down, and the PDF will be named as per that. And if you scroll to the right side of the database, you will find these two additional columns. One is by the name of generate PDF, and another is by the name of PDF file. So if any record is marked as ready to generate, the PDF file will be created for those specific records, and they will be stored in the PDF file column right over here. Okay. So make sure your setting your records is ready to generate whichever you want to convert to PDF file right inside the database. Now everything is all set. Let's click on download PDF and it will start downloading the PDF onto the downloads folder, as well as it will save the PDF right inside the database for us. So if you see, it has created the first document, and you can just click on this and you should be able to see all the properties of the document automatically mapped. Okay, so every property of the document has been mapped with the database values that we have. Let's open up the second one, and this also repeats the same pattern, and you can see all the properties have automatically mapped from the database. So we just created two documents where all the properties were automatically mapped with the database values that we already had. If you want to automate this process entirely, click on Setup Notion Automation, and this will run the automation to generate the PDF forever, which means you do not need to use PDF output dashboard to set up everything from scratch once again to create the PDF. As once the automation is clicked, whenever user will add a new submission and the entry will appear over here, you can simply mark it as ready to generate, and the PDF will automatically get created in the PDF file column right over here. This makes the process really easy and convenient, as all the automations happen directly inside the database, and the PDF file will be directly created in the PDF file section that we have over here. So if you want to start using and automating the solution, just set up everything and click on Setup Notion Automation. It will automatically generate the PDF for you right inside the database. If you still haven't got any questions, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries. I'll be able to address the same. Or you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will already find the contact window available, and you can send me an email right away on your issues. I'll be able to address the same. You can even book a free demo session where I will be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation.